Hey students, let's solve one previous question of algorithm. This question was asked in GATE DA 2025, question number 19. Suppose that insertion sort is applied to the array. One array is given and it takes exactly 2 swaps to sort the array. Select all possible value of x and 4 options are given. In this array, if you will see 1 till 11 are already sorted. So there will be no swap 1 till 11. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 all are sorted. So for 15 and 13 there will be one swap. 13 will come before 15. And in question it's given there will be exactly 2 swap. So 13, 15 one swap. Another swap can be x. X can either swap with 11 or x can swap with 13. X value can be greater than 9, less than 11, or it can be greater than 13, less than 15. Greater than 9, less than 11, that is option A, 10. Then greater than 13, less than 15, that is 14. So if in place of x we'll write 10, then this 10 can swap with 11, 10 will come here, 11 will come here. Then in place of x, if we'll write 14, so this 14 will swap with 13, 14 will come here and 13 will come here. Either it can swap with 11 or it can swap with 13. X possible value are either 10 or 14. So answer can be option A or option C. It can be either 10 or 14. In question it is asking select all possible value of x. I already discussed insertion sort, just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.